This Lee Beauty Professional Gel Callus Remover Kit has become a staple in my foot care routine. My feet used to be pretty nasty, but now, with regular use of this kit, I'd say they're pretty good. You put on gloves and soothe on the gel to the base of your foot. Just the callus places is good enough. I personally then wrap my feet in cellophane and put it in slippers for 5–10 minutes while I work on my computer. You're supposed to soften up your skin beforehand, so doing this after a long bath is probably a good idea. That's what I do. And after letting it sit for a few minutes, then I'll unwrap my feet, and already I'll see some action going on my calluses. With a wet cloth, I'll wipe off the extra gel, and then I'll follow up with the pumice or the rasp here that makes the process feel complete. The rough spots slide off far, far more quickly than if I tried just a file by itself. The gel is definitely stronger than other products I've tried, and I can feel the effectiveness right away, especially on stubborn, cracked heels. I feel like I'm giving myself an expensive full-service pedicure, minus the nails, for a fraction of the price. Now, the scent isn't exactly luxurious. It has that strong, functional vibe you'd expect from a heavy-duty treatment product, but it doesn't linger on my skin after I take it off. Also, I try not to leave it on too long. Follow the instructions carefully because it is meant to be strong and you don't want to overdo it. So overall, this callus remover gel kit has made a noticeable difference in how my feet feel, and I reach for it whenever my heels start to get rough again. Recommend.